The Ministry of Niger Delta Affairs (MNDA) says it has completed 553 projects within the 7 years of President Muhammadu Buhari's administration. Niger Delta Minister Umana disclosed this at the presentation of the President Muhammadu Buhari administration scorecard 2015 to 2023 series in Abuja. Umana said the ministry had the grand total of released appropriation from 2015 to 2022 of 178 trillion 283 million 518,025 naira and 65 kobo. According to him, out of this, the ministry initiated and completed some projects across the 9 states of the region. He said that in distribution of the completed projects, 163 were done under agriculture and empowerment, 66 each for education and housing, 115 for environment, and 29 went to the health sector. Others include orientation and information 21, 31 for water, while works had 62 projects. He said that the ministry had some roads projects constructed in each of the 9 states of the Niger Delta. He said 6 roads were constructed in Abia, 9 in Akwa Ibom, 5 in Bayelsa, 30 in Cross River, 14 in Delta and Ondo, 18 in Edo, 11 in Imo, and 3 in River State, bringing the total roads completed to 110. On housing, Umana said the ministry constructed 290 housing units to address the housing deficit in the Niger Delta region. The minister said that 6,293 women and youths were also trained and empowered in various vocational, entrepreneurial, and agricultural skills.
The ministry has completed 553 projects and programs between 2015 and 2022. Some other projects are ongoing at different completion stages in the 9 states of the Niger Delta region. The East-West Road project, which is a dual carriageway and a priority project of the present administration, and spans a total of 338 kilometers with over 41 number bridges. The ministry was involved in the execution of this project, and before this project was handed over to the Federal Ministry of Works and Housing in 2021, 291 kilometers out of the 338 kilometers dual carriageway was completed, and all the 41 number bridges also completed. For housing, the ministry in the 9 states also embarked on housing projects, and again, some of the estates are completed, some are ongoing. The ministry constructed and renovated 29 number educational facilities. 44 schools were equipped with furniture, textbooks, and other educational materials. The ministry on its own also granted scholarships. Some of the key projects include the canalization of 15.64 kilometers of all-season waterways in Burutu and Warri, that's in Delta State, reclamation of 7.41 hectares of eroded land in Warri Southwest. Other states were also covered, Cross River, Akwa Ibom, Abia, River States. We also had rehabilitation of 130 hectares of degraded ecosystem through enrichment, afforestation in Cross River State, Edo State, Akwa Ibom, Abia, and so on. The ministry was also involved in the construction and renovation of major health facilities across selected states in the Niger Delta region. So we've given the statistics, and it was also involved in medical outreach, which was conducted for 8,000 rural dwellers. Over 6,000 women and youths trained and empowered in various vocational, entrepreneurial, and agricultural skills, and for the period, and 5.4 billion was spent on this. during the period. As part of the training, each beneficiary was given between 300,000 and 500,000 naira, as well as startup packs, depending on the vocation. Furthermore, over 12,000 people from 18 communities benefited from the medical outreach and enlightenment programs. Over 2.1 billion was spent in the provision of various empowerment materials such as tricycles, tractors, sewing machines, and so on. The ministry has the records and the phone numbers of all of these beneficiaries.